Hi Tita Milay! Happy 50th birthday po! I wish you nothing but a good health and happy life. And more birthdays to come po, like till when you can't walk alone. I hope you know that you can always count on me to help you walk po. Ayun lang po, more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday po!
What's up, Melissa? Sister from the other country across oceans and seas. Here we are. This is Beth. This is Louis. We wanted to say
58.
happy birthday. Happy birthday. And in Spanish, feliz cumpleaños. Hope you're doing great and enjoying your singlehood, but it's better to enjoy your marriedhood. So Beth wants to say something from here. Okay, Beth.
Hi, Melissa. Kumusta na? I can't wait to see you here. Your wish. So, I would like to greet you a happy 50th birthday, and I'm so happy for you that you are very faithful to God, and I really believe that God's timing is really perfect timing, and that God knows the desire of your heart, and really you just need to keep praying and persevere, and I believe God will give the desires of your heart. So whoever is that brother, I know God is preparing that for you.
Thank you.
So yeah, enjoy your 50th birthday, and we're here praying for you too.
Time is up.
So yeah, Louis will share his wisdom about birthdays. Honey,
I don't know.
Please share your wish.
Pray. That's all I can say. And have a great birthday time with everybody over there. Say hi to Tess and Yul.
That's
Ingat.
Ulysses. Yeah, so bye-bye, and hope to see you soon.
Oh. Happy birthday, Tita Milay. Mahal ka namin, and God bless sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Tita Melay. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless. We love you.
Birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. I love you.
Happy birthday!
My birthday. Okay.
Hope to have you more years to come.
Come.
Okay?
Okay.
I love you, Tita
I
Milay.
love you, dear.
Okay, I love you na. Oh.
Oh.
I hope you will be
Me?
reach 100 years.
Yay.
Wow.
Hi guys! Shoutout nga pala kay Melissa Mahinay. Tol, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Tsaka maging happy ka palagi. Salamat sa sacrifice sa family. Sa lahat ng ginawa mo. Golden ka na. 50 years of age. Happy birthday, Tol. Wala man ako regalo sa'yo, lagi mo lang tatanda, mahal na mahal kita. Dito pa ako sa vlogging. Nag-iipon pa ako pambili regalo mo! Happy birthday, Tol. Ingat ka palagi, ha. God bless. Taingat. Love you, Tol.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melissa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Hope you have a good 50th year. Good 50th birthday. All right.
Love you from the Barrowman.
Yep. Wish we were there. See you soon.
Hi, Milay. Happy birthday. It's just so exciting that a lot of people are celebrating you today, and me, myself, I'm so grateful for you. You are that kind of person that gives all. You serve all of you, and you give all of you, and you serve a lot of people, and just yung wala ka nang tinitira sa sarili mo dahil gusto mo lang ibigay yung best mo at yung buong buo. And I'm so happy to have a friend like that is just so encouraging, so loving. And you're celebrating your 50th birthday today, and I know that God is not done with you yet. This is just the beginning of another half of your lifetime, and I know that what's ahead is even more exciting. So keep on loving God, and know that your joy comes from having a God that loves you so much, and His dreams are bigger than your dreams, and His plans for you is even bigger than your own. So just keep on nurturing that kind of joy, and make it grow every single day. I love you, Milay. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Melay. Happy for you. Birthday mo ngayon. Enjoy your day. And wish ko lang na may God grant the desire of your heart, and be faithful. Always inspire others. Alam mo kay God. And grateful ako sa friendship natin. And grateful din ako na magkasama tayo sa household. Miss ko na kayo dyan. Kita-kits tayo sa PDC. Happy birthday ulit. Love you, sis.
Hi, Melissa. Happy birthday. I hope you are enjoying yung blessing of life and blessing of not worrying about so many things. So we are grateful na naging part ka ng journey namin while we were in Manila, and I hope you continue to shine and to just love God. So once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Melay! Pagbati mula sa Winnipeg, panalangin namin na patuloy kang maging masaya, at lalong-lalo na ngayong kaarawan mo. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi, Melissa. Happy 50th birthday. Golden birthday to you. Nawa mas lalo pang maging ginto at ginintuan ng iyong puso pagdating sa pagmamahal kay God. Sabi nga, the Lord delights in those who fear Him, who put their hope in His unfailing love. Ayun, salamat din sa friendship that we had. I remember yung support that you gave to me. Nasa singles ministry pa. And yan, marami din ako natutunan from you pagdating sa leadership. Yan. I hope and pray na lalo ka pang pagpalain ni God sa health mo, financially, sa love life. Yun. Happy birthday.
Hi, Milay. Happy birthday. Nelly here. Greetings from Minnesota. Kumusta na? Yun, happy birthday. I hope na maging happy ka lang. Enjoy life and appreciate the friendship and all the memories na we share together. Thank you for being a good example of faithfulness and someone na talagang willing to go extra mile to just really show your faithfulness and friendship. So yeah, I just pray na mag-enjoy lang enjoy life, and God bless you more, and God bless you and your family, and just enjoy life. Happy birthday.
Hi, Melay. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and God give the desires of your heart. Miss you, girl. See you on TBC. Happy birthday.
Hi, hello! Happy birthday, Ate Melay!
Happy birthday, Jiyay!
Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo, na may patnubayan ka ng Diyos na may kapal.
Bye!
We love you!
I love you!
Ingat lagi!
Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Bye!
Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Milay. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you for everything, sa mga sakripisyo at binibigay mo para sa pamilya. Maraming salamat. Lagi kang mag-iingat and alam mo na nandito ako palagi para sa'yo. I love you!
Hi, Tita Milay. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. It's your golden age, and I hope you shine bright like a diamond. Love you.
Hi, Melay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your celebration with your friends, family, and with your brothers and sisters. And at dahil 50 ka na, kakanta kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Melay. Enjoy your day. And I pray that God will grant all your wishes and prayers. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi! Surprise! Ako din na-surprise. Hindi ko pa ako nakakatawa at ginagawa ko. Nag-request kasi sila for us to leave you a message daw. Kasi nga birthday mo. Di ba ako nag-umpisa, naiyak na ako. Wait lang. Game. Sige. Parang kailan lang nasa 20s ka, nasa 30s, on your 40s, tapos kaya nasa 50s na tayo. Diba, nakitayo ako. Ayan. Sobrang cliche na sabihin na tayo flies. Pero, sa atin kasi it's true na marami tayong experiences, marami tayong napagdaanan sa ating life na we've learned a lot. And I'm grateful kasi kayo yung kasama ko. Yung family na to yung kasama ko. I always thank the Lord na binigyan ako ng ganitong klaseng family. Kayo yung binigay niya sa akin na maging pamilya. And dahil nga birthday mo, I just would like to say happy birthday. Just enjoy your day. Enjoy your celebration with your friends today. And with the family later on, kung mayroong mga celebration sa bahay, I know you will have. So, yun. Video call na lang tayo pag nag-birthday ka na sa bahay. So, thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo, sa lahat na ginawa mo for the family. I'm grateful kasi I was able to strive na maging maayos yung family natin dahil kayo yung kasama ko. And grateful ako kasi kampante ang loob namin ni Aning dito kasi ikaw yung nandyan na nag-aalaga. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa buong family, kay mama, sa mga pamangkin mo, sa aming magkakapatid. Thank you for everything. And just enjoy your day. And alam mo naman yun, I love you, we love you all. Happy birthday. Saranghe. Bye.
Hi dear sister. Biglaan to ha. Happiest birthday. You know how much we love you. May God grant the desires of your heart and fulfill all your plans. May God continue to bless you always. Happiest birthday. We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tita Milay. Wishing you a splendid year ahead. God bless you. I love you and see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Milay!
We wish you all the best God has to offer. And we want to dedicate this song to you. Sabi nila, one of the favorite song mo daw to. And we hope you like it.
There was a time I packed my dreams away, living in a shell, hiding from myself. And there was a time when I was so afraid. I thought I reached the end, baby, that was then. But I am made of more than my yesterday. This is my now, and I'm waiting the moment. So look around, I can't believe what I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and clouds that was then, and this is mine now. Had to decide, was I gonna play it safe, or look somewhere deep inside and try to turn the tide, find the strength to take the step of faith. And this is my now, and I'm waiting the moment. So look around, I can't believe what I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and clouds that was then, and this is mine now. And I have the courage like never before. Settle for less, but I'm ready for more. Ready for more. This is my now, and I'm ready in the moment. So look around, can't believe what I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and clouds that was there. This is my now. So look around, can't believe the love I see. My fears behind me, gone are the shadows and clouds that was there. This is mine now. This is mine now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Melinda.